Hotel breakfast.
Good morning. Wow, the lobby smells amazing. Is that coffee?
Good morning. Yes, fresh coffee from the kitchen. Did you sleep well?
I did, thank you. Actually, I woke up early because I was curious about breakfast.
Ah, the best reason to get out of bed. Would you like to try it now?
Absolutely. But first, what exactly do you serve? I don't want to miss anything.
Well, we have a big variety. Fresh bread, warm croissants, seasonal fruit, yogurt, and cereals. Oh, and our chef makes scrambled eggs every morning.
That sounds delicious. Is it self-service?
Yes, it's a buffet, right through those doors. You'll see it next to the garden view.
Oh, I love eating with sunlight coming in. Do you also have something sweet?
Yes, homemade muffins. The chocolate ones disappear quickly, though.
Then I'd better hurry. And drinks. Coffee, of course. But what else?
Tea, fresh orange juice, and even hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate in the morning? That feels like a holiday treat.
Exactly. Many guests say it's their favorite surprise.
I might have to try that. And one more question. What time does breakfast end?
Until 10:30, so you have plenty of time to enjoy it slowly.
Perfect. Honestly, this is my first breakfast in this city, and I want to remember it.
Then you're in the right place. Everything is made fresh this morning.
You're making me even more hungry. I'll start with fruit and croissants.
Excellent choice. And remember, you can always come back for more.
Oh, don't tempt me. I might stay here all morning.
Well, if you do, you'll be our happiest guest. Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you. I'll let you know which muffin is the best.
Restaurant payment problem.
Good afternoon. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, very much. The pasta was delicious, and that chocolate cake, oh, dangerous but wonderful.
I'm glad you liked it. It's our best seller. Would you like the check?
Yes, please. I have to catch a train later, so I can't stay too long.
No problem. Here you are. That will be $12.
Perfect. I'll pay with my card. Inserts card.
Okay, just one moment. That's strange. It says transaction declined.
Really? That's impossible. I used this card this morning. Can I try again?
Of course. Maybe it's just the machine. Please try one more time.
Customer tries again, waits. Still nothing.
Sometimes it happens when the internet connection is weak. Let me check the machine.
I really hope it's not my card. That would be embarrassing.
Don't worry, sir. These things happen almost every day. Yesterday, the same thing happened to a businessman. He looked very serious, like the world was ending, until he realized it was just our Wi-Fi.
Well, at least I'm not the only one. Do you maybe take mobile payment?
I'm afraid not. Just card or cash. Do you have any cash with you?
Let me check. Oh no, only $5.
That's okay. There's an ATM just around the corner. 2 minutes walk. You can get cash there.
Great, thank you. I'll run there quickly. Can I leave my bag here while I go?
Of course. Don't worry, your bag will be safe with me.
Thank you, that's very kind. I'll be right back. A few minutes later, the customer returns with cash. Okay, success. I have money now. Here you go, $12.
Perfect. Thank you very much, and sorry about the machine.
No problem at all. Honestly, the chocolate cake was worth the adventure.
That's what I like to hear. We say our cake is so good, it even breaks the machines.
Well, then I'll definitely come back again. Maybe next time I'll bring cash, just in case.
We'd love that. And next time, the coffee is on the house.
Really? That's very kind of you.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful day and safe travels to your train.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye and come back soon.
At the money exchange.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hello. Yes, I just arrived in New York and, well, I think I need some dollars.
Of course. Welcome. What currency do you have?
I have euros. Do you accept those?
Absolutely. How much would you like to exchange?
Let's say 200 euros. Is that enough for a few days here?
That depends on how much shopping you plan to do. But yes, it should be fine. After the exchange rate and a small fee, you'll get about 210 US dollars.
A fee? How much?
Just $5. And you get fresh, shiny American bills.
Okay, sounds good. May I have mostly 20s, please?
No problem. Do you need any small change for buses or tips?
Ooh, yes, that would be useful.
Here you are. 10 20s, 1 5, and a few coins.
Perfect. Thank you. It feels exciting to hold American money for the first time.
Welcome to New York. Is this your first visit?
Yes, it is. I'm going to Times Square tonight.
Great choice. The lights there never sleep.
I can't wait. Thanks for your help.
My pleasure. Enjoy your dollars and enjoy your adventure.
Train travel conversation.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, please, go ahead. There's plenty of space.
Thank you. Whew, just made it onto the train.
Cutting it close, huh?
Yes, the taxi was stuck in traffic. I thought I'd missed the train to Washington, D.C.
Oh, you're going to D.C. as well?
Yes, exactly. And you?
Same. Visiting family for the weekend.
Nice. I'm going to see some friends. I've never taken this train before.
Really? I take it a few times a year. It's about 3 hours, but it's comfortable.
Better than driving, I guess.
Definitely. You can relax, read, or just look out the window. Sometimes the view is beautiful.
Yes, I can already see the river. Not bad at all.
Do you usually travel a lot?
Not really. I don't even own a car. I usually just take buses.
Then this will feel like a luxury ride.
Let's not get carried away. It already does. Do you have a reserved seat?
Yes, seat 14. But someone was asleep in it when I got on.
Oh no. Did you wake them?
No, I didn't want to bother him. He looked so peaceful. I just sat here instead.
That's kind of you. But honestly, this spot is better. More space for the legs.
True. Sometimes the wrong seat is actually the right one.
Good point. What are you reading?
A mystery novel. Lots of twists and secrets. I like something that keeps me guessing.
Oh, me too. I love stories where you can't stop turning the pages.
Do you have a book with you?
Yes, but I haven't started it yet. Maybe now's a good time.
Perfect. Nothing better than a book and the sound of the train.
True. And if I get bored, at least I have someone to chat with.
Same here. Well, let's both enjoy the ride.
Deal. Have a good trip.
You too. And good luck with your book.
Lost luggage at the airport.
Hello, sir. Can I help you? You look a little worried.
Yes, please. I think I've lost my suitcase.
Oh, I see. Don't worry, we'll figure it out. Where did you fly from today?
From Rome this morning. It was a long flight, and now, no back.
And you arrived here in New York just an hour ago, correct?
Exactly. I waited at baggage claim, but my suitcase never came out.
Okay, let's check. Do you have your baggage claim ticket with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. And what's your name, please?
Paul Martin.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Martin. Now, can you describe your suitcase?
Sure. It's small, black, with a yellow tag on the handle. My name and phone number are written on the tag.
Perfect. That will help a lot. One moment. Let me check the computer system.
I really hope it's not lost forever.
Don't worry. Most of the time, luggage is just delayed. Here we are. Good news. Your suitcase is still in Rome.
In Rome? Oh, no. So what do I do now?
No problem. It will be placed on the next flight and should arrive here tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Yes, and the best part is, you don't have to come back here. We'll deliver it straight to your hotel.
Really? That's a big relief. I'm staying at the Hotel Sun.
Great. I'll write that down. Hotel Sun. Do you have your room number yet?
Yes, room 410.
Perfect. We'll call you as soon as the bag arrives and then deliver it directly.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. Do you need anything for tonight? Toothbrush, maybe? Pajamas?
Actually, yes, I don't even have a toothbrush with me.
No problem. There's a small shop just over there. To the right, you can find everything you need.
Perfect. Thanks again.
My pleasure. Just think of it this way. Your suitcase is enjoying a little holiday in Rome.
Lucky suitcase. It's traveling more than I am.
Exactly. And tomorrow, it will be reunited with you.
I'll be waiting. Thank you again for your help.
You're very welcome, Mr. Martin. Have a good evening and enjoy New York.
Thanks. Hopefully tomorrow I'll have my suitcase too.